Hi, my name's Kenneth. I'm one of the technical consultants here at Mozenda, and the purpose of this video is to show you how to customize request blocking. So we're going to go over how to utilize the request blocking feature in more detail, and we'll also show you how to cancel certain requests beyond the auto block feature. Within the Mozenda Agent Builder, you have the ability to increase the speed of your agent by blocking unnecessary requests such as ads, images, analytics, or other requests with the requesting blocking feature. In addition to this feature, we also have added the auto block feature that can help eliminate unnecessary requests without you having to go in and write customized request expressions. However, what if you really want to increase the speed of your agent and write your own customized request expressions? Let's examine a couple of examples and show you how to do this in more detail. So what I'm doing in this site is I'm going in, and it's just a retail site that looks at men's shirts. To examine the navigation requests and what's going on in the background, I'm just going to right click on this blue bar here and select navigation requests. I'm going to expand this window. You'll notice that I can see there's over 252 requests that were loaded to get the content of this page. However, for my purposes, I don't need all 252 requests. Most of these are unnecessary. If we scroll to the top, we can just kind of take a look at some of these ones that are unnecessary. So starting with, if we look at the root domain, I notice typekit.net, Google Analytics, Core Metrics. We scroll down, I see other ones like MathTag. There's also more Google, doubleclick.net. These are all things that help load ads or images or the analytics that we don't necessarily need to load our data. So what I want to do is block certain requests that are coming out of here, and beyond using just the auto block feature. And so if I wanted to block, for example, facebook.net, we don't need Facebook to load our data. So we're going to go here and we're just going to select the box next to the request, and then we're going to select block. And I can either do the root domain, domain, file and extension, domain and file, or full URL. Well, I don't want anything with Facebook in it, so I'm just going to select the root domain. So anytime the word facebook.net appears, it blocks the root domain. Now when I do this, you'll notice that Mozenda generates a request expression for us, and it uses regular expression. Another way of targeting this particular site that I like to do if I want to write my own customized expression is I can select new, empty, and then type in the root domain that I want to block. In this particular example, I want to just block facebook.net. Now the cool thing is I don't necessarily have to type out everything in front of this facebook.net as before. I can just type out facebook.net, and this will apply to any time in an expression or request expression that Mozenda sees facebook.net anywhere in that expression, it's going to block it. And so when I save, I can then save and reload, or just save the agent and continue blocking on. If I want to select multiple ones that I wish to block, for example, Hotjar, dynamicyield.com, I can do both of these and say, you know what, let's just block the root domains there as well, and that will then appear. I also have the ability to bulk edit my request expressions. So I can take the list and add to it if I want without having to hit copy and new. So what if there was Twitter? So twitter.com, typekit that we see down there at the bottom, typekit.net. Now I can select save, and Mozenda will automatically add these into my request blocking expressions. And now I can select save and reload and watch and see how many navigation requests appear. If you remember, the last time we loaded this page without any request blocking, there were 252 requests. Now there's only 217, and I can scroll down and still see all of my data here. If I want to take it a step further, I can block images. I would definitely recommend turning on the auto block feature, or I can even target other specific requests that I may not need. That about wraps up the cancel request expression and how to customize the request blocking feature within Mozenda. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.